Kai them did end up compound our truck.
You and Kai them in the same place.
No.
So Kai wine him.
Kai find the truck, bro, and come up.
And you wine him.
Let's leave anything that we can pass, guys. Yeah.
Or yourself. Guys, do not team.
I take it out in our bedroom.
Huh?
I take it out in our bedroom.
In a ramping thing, I'm serious with you, bro. Where is it?
Set your timer now.
Oh, you set timer. Alexa, set timer.
For 4 minutes.
Siri, set timer. Me not have Siri. So true. Guys, I don't have it. Siri? Nah, answer. Where is it?
Set your timer now.
Oh, you set timer. Alexa, set timer.
For 4 minutes.
Siri, set timer. Me not have Siri. So true. Guys, I don't have it. Siri? Nah, answer. Larry, look how long me I look for you.
I can't fight in the India fight.
You ready?
I was born already.
Just make somebody text me. You have my number.
My team will come when I'm done and rocket science, bro.
I send one gift, one load gift when it done.
Come now, my youth. You have to accept the match first, madman.
Oh.
Swiss.
Me I cook, bro. Switch over, me I come up and cook some oxtail and something. Start it in the
Donuts, guys. Go nuts.
Do it on my team. Do or not.
So it's got to go with tight. So if you want hot mosquito.
Yes, sir. So, Beans, how cool mosquito look?
What?
How cool mosquito look?
No, I know. I say if you want mosquito and tight to exercise. Man. Something come up for full out team color board.
Guys, you hear them thing about? She died from a full out color board and them thing. Guys, I'm rich at Jamaica, rebel busy. One from blood clot down.
I made so much time for you.
I thought you was still.
He was a busy one, guys. He had streaming. Guys, him look for me one whole day in a carnival. And a ball. Yo, dog, which one you them, my youth? You know, man, I call on your buckler phone.
Oh, no, guys. I last game this with you, guys. Can you give some tone, okay, guys? Hey. Last game, guys. Guys, do it, guys. I'm saying it as live, girl. Jesus Christ, guys. What I have done to these people?
Carnival, fool.
No, bro, I never like carnival, bro.
Where you them, my youth? You know, man, I call you.
I like it.
Father, make your breast.
Come lonely, brother. I know so walk up on like a idiot, not son.
Could you find you?
Cause I never know so 3 road them book.
Yeah, and then I tell you, say, Kai them did end up compound our truck.
You and Kai them in the same place.
No.
So Kai wine him.
Kai find the truck, bro, and come up.
And you wine him.
Let's leave anything that we can pass, guys. Yeah.
Or yourself. Guys, do not team.
I take it out in our bedroom.
Huh?
I take it out in our bedroom.
In a ramping thing, I'm serious with you, bro.
Someone serious you too?
You wine pan kind, never wine pan me.
Sis, alright. Thank God. No matter make this with the headline.
The headline, you better not text me and send it. Up to now.
Thank God. No. Alright. I'm mute you. When you go on over there if you don't want to hear him. Me not wine pan you Dolly Sunday. You didn't want like real seductive wine? When I come back.
What kind of wine you give me?
I make you sit down and come to in front where I rest my breast in your face. I indicate upon you. I make you stop up my body, you. You like that? Yeah, man, know yourself. I get everything where you are. Instead of freaking that little. No man, Swiss, I forgot eat, man.
No, man, come on, bro. Come on. Never get rest. Never get rest later.
Guys, my belly. And I'm not good.
Eat them bread like that, man.
So what they say, face for my frill.
What is that frill?
I'm frill. I'm frilly. Guys, thank you so much, guys. I feel like my heart went throat, bro. What do you mean have acid reflux?
Yeah, guys, man, get some food right now. Get some food. I get some food.
No, I'm not breed, girl.
Every man, jump off, you know.
Alright.
Alright, bye-bye.
Bye.
Is when I say your platform doing a good job last week Tuesday when we did a prayer and we did a prayer for Vani. You see?
Yeah.
Sometimes, we are pray for people, but when we want prayer ourselves, you see, I have my farm and all. I always say I have my farm. Alright, in the morning, I go down for the farm and I down there. And my baby father said something to me. But when he said to me, it's not really nothing, because he said to me, say, I have some dirty ways when I used to change. And I take it really offensive. And I sit down and I start crying. And I sit down there and I start crying. I say, this is not me. And he might talk it through. But guess what? Me know say me I struggle spiritually, but me don't want to say it. Because sometimes we don't want to talk the truth because the truth hurt we so much. We try to cover it with a smile or we cover it with
Yeah,
lie or
yeah.
something. So
Like,
when we come up, like when we come home and with the woman, it's like in Ghana about to my bed and me sit down on the toilet seat and me I talk to him and me I say, babe, some I have something to tell you, and him I say, what is it? And I start talk, and I tell him I have insomnia, like me can't sleep, and me I struggle with depression, and this is not me, but me I talk some things that me I go through, and me break down, and me start cry right there. And me start crying, me I say, like, me I go through a lot. Me stop work now, like 2 months now, because after me do C-section and all, after I have my baby 2 years ago, I just jump back at work because I don't know how to sit down one place. I always on the go. I always have things doing. Like, me not like being lazy. You understand? And I start work back too quick and it affect me cut now. So I start feeling it now. So now I have to stop work. But if I'm sick leave, I not get paid. So I say, no, I go find something where I can do in the meantime where me can, make some small money. And me just keep it to myself. And when we didn't know when we start pray for Vanya and all, and it's like me a pray, but it's like me not reaching because me need prayer myself. You understand?
Mm-hmm.
And when me did it and me start pray, like me start play some gospel and me I play the gospel, we say, I got somebody with me to share my heavy load. And me start breakdown right there. And me start crying. And you see, from the moment in the day when me admit it, say yes, something is wrong with me. No. I was spiritually attacked. And as what me said from earlier and before, me can pull things and pull it to myself, manifest it, and then lose myself. And it's like when me didn't know, it's like me start manifest. The spirits them that attach start to manifest. For bone me, for make me feel like say something is wrong with me when nothing wrong with me. And right there and then me start pray, me start lose myself and me start bring up some slime and everything like me start lose myself and me feel so light. Me stop go church a long time from last year. Some me go church, me not go back to church again. It's like me not have no vibe for go church, me not have no vibe for pray. And you see from Tuesday when me lose myself and pull myself, I feel the joy coming right back. Me just feel back everything. I'm me glad for this life because if it wasn't for this life, then me wouldn't I think about them there's something. They understand I'm gonna go right back down and me I tell you. It's like when me did it, me I try start out some paperwork, something for me and my daughter. And trust me, like everywhere me go is like a dead end, dead end, dead end, dead end. And me not working and me a type of person where me not like stress people, me not like pressure people for nothing at all because me not like hear the word no. So you see when it come on to financial problem, me always a go because me feel like something if ask nobody for nothing. Now you see, me not like take things from people sometimes because me feel like say them a go take it tell me. You understand? And my baby father said to me, say, stop stress yourself. Anytime me get paid, me I go make you start out to something. Them. But me know them having other things them out there for start out. So me no want to pressure him. And it's like me did it, and me I go through and me I go through and me I go through my head in it. And it's like something said to me, say, why worry when you can pray? My father just takes me from nowhere. It's like me need 2,500 US dollars to start out everything. And me I say, God, me not have the first $100 Jamaican dollar, much less when we go find 2,500 from fifth start out everything and get everything. And my father just takes me from nowhere and say, me go me go send you $100 so you can buy snacks and stuff for your baby. And me start to laugh and me say, at least me know say me not send nothing to him, but me know say me $2,400 away and cheese me come by your life other day. And but would I read the Bible and something? And somebody like from your life come in at my inbox and said to me, say that before me break myself and everything, somebody come from my life and in at my inbox and say, I don't know you and I don't want you to take this literal, but something in me just tell me say you need help. So me say me don't want to help for nobody. It's like me start become defensive. So me say me don't want to help for
Yeah.
nobody and me don't want nobody help me with nothing. But you see sometimes we chat too much and sometimes we must go
Mm-hmm.
get the better way. And it's like when me did that, me say, it's like me just calm down myself and me text back a person and say, I'm sorry, what is the problem? And the person say, say, you say you use cash app or Zelle? I said no. And the person say, say me just have one $500 figure. So me bust out a laugh and say $500 one. He say, US, you have somewhere you want to sort out? I'm going to go, I'm going to look. I'm going to look for the person. I don't know this person from Adams. And he said, me I go send you little through Western, And me start, me have to just laugh. And me have to say, watch God work sometime, as my
Go on
as my
again, me never
shepherd
there
say.
a while ago. Where say?
I mean, the person said to me, say, me I go send you the $500, but me I go send you little. And me I beg you, just keep this between us. And me said, no worries. Like, me and that type of person, if it, you understand? And me, as my
Mm-hmm.
shepherd said, when the woman help her, and she don't know the woman and it's a stranger. You see, sometimes when we pray to God, we feel like say God I go come down in person and help we. God not go come down in person and
Man
help we.
send
So him a
somebody.
go use people for bless we. And that's why sometimes you see when people ask you for things and we have it, we fi stop saying we not have it because sometimes we black out with blessing. And yeah, we cheese, me not know you, and me we a pass, and you see me and you help me, and you know say me remember for the rest of my life, and me remember you, and me will
You
see you in
can't
the
tell
future.
me
And me say, you
anything.
know, remember you did do XYZ to me, and you have no idea say when me attack, where you understand?
Right.
And when the person give me a say, Jesus, me want $2,000 more now, and me not fret, and me not worry, but me know say it a go come. I mean, I don't know where it a go come from or how it a go reach. But yes, through me trust in God and me believe and me have my faith up, me know say it a go reach in Jesus.